So we began e-learning in different phases. In March, we commenced online classes for grade 10th and 12th on Skype. And then shifted to Zoom. Gradually, we started classes for grade 4 and 9 too. The teachers of grade 1 to 3 and the pre-primary wing of Mayor World School have been sending the pre-recorded videos through WhatsApp groups, which have been highly appreciated by the parents and enjoyed by our little Mayorites. Every Monday, online session is conducted for the students of grade 1 to 3 for live interaction of students with their teachers. Teachers also send worksheets to the students through WhatsApp groups. Students submit the solved worksheets and home assignments given to them via email to the teachers. Teachers correct them and send back the corrected work. The weekly tests are also being conducted every Monday on Zoom under the strict supervision of invigilators. The class teachers send the question papers to their respective classes in the parents' WhatsApp groups 5 minutes before the paper starts. After completing the paper, the students send the scanned copies of the answer scripts to the teachers through email. The answer scripts are evaluated meticulously and marks are awarded. The answer keys are posted in the class WhatsApp groups on the same day. The school successfully conducted the online PTM for all the classes, where class teachers gave 5 to 6 minutes slot to each parent. We were the first in Jalandhar to start with the virtual PTM. Young Mayorites from the pre-primary and grade 1 to 3 recorded their dance videos to participate in dance competition. To make the young learners familiar with the true spirit of language, a poetry recitation competition was organized for the students of pre-primary and grade 1 to 3. Music, dance, and art classes and sports sessions are being successfully conducted. Father's Day activity was conducted and students learned to make cards for their fathers. Students learning self-reliance through Dhobi Ghat activity. The Earth Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm. The students were motivated to plant saplings. The Vice Chairperson, Ms. Neerza Mayor, the Director, Ms. Sarita Madho, and the Deputy Vice Principal, Ms. Charu Behan, regularly interacted with the students to keep their spirits high and to boost their morale. One of our students won the consolation prize in the poster making competition organized by Mayo College, Ajmer. SUPW sessions, that is socially useful productive work, are also being conducted to teach life skills like cooking without fire, quizzes, moral values, etc. to students. A caption contest were organized for the students of grade 8 to 9, where they lent profound words to pictures. During vacation, for the students and mothers of pre-primary and grade 1 to 3, various online fun activities like cold kitchen, music, dance, movies, fun games, etc. have been scheduled to make them rejuvenate during the break. Assessment of speaking and listening skills is also being done. Different topics are assigned to the students in advance. They present their views on the topics assigned during the regular sessions. During listening test, an audio is played and the students record their responses accordingly. Intra-school, inter-school and inter-house competitions have been also planned. Winners will be given e-certificates. We strongly believe that the involvement of the parents in school activities improves students' achievements. They learn to have better social skills and exhibit improved behavior. Therefore, we have planned online sessions with mother and children till grade 3. To connect with the parents of pre-primary to grade 3, several activities like bingo and Bollywood are planned for the summer vacation. Faculty meetings are also regularly organized to plan strategies for the upcoming goals. Webinar on learning disability was also organized for the teachers by our special educator. A short summer break was given to the students from pre-primary to 8 for 15 days and 9 to 12 for 10 days in the month of May. Keeping in view the repercussions of extended screen time, the school is again going to break from 23rd June to 12th June. Holiday homework was given to the students during the first break, and they are supposed to submit it after the second break now. The school is going to conduct block test online for grade 10 and 12 from 13 July, which will be 1.5 hours examination on CBSE pattern. Feedback received from the parents is thoroughly analyzed and steps are taken to improve the learning outcomes. The virtual tour of the school was organized for our little Mayorites. It was a journey through emotions, and I would like to share with you all that one of our students of grade 1 started crying after watching the video. So we all miss our school. So I would like to conclude my presentation with a small video. So in the end, I would like to say the school has been making painstaking endeavors to be at its best in the dark clouds of pandemic. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Aarti. That was really very good, and it shows that the learning continues. And there's so much at home what we can utilize, improvise, and we can use that as part of online teaching. Plus, also we can do a lot of activities. So with that, I thank you for sharing the best practice. May I now request you to disable the video so that I can call Mr. Deepak Bhargav and Ma'am Richa Rathore from Mayur Chowpassi School, Jodhpur. So over to you, Mr. Deepak. You can unmute your mic, you can enable your video, and you can